Last winter, I had the opportunity to do something I've always wanted to do. I went to Vail, Colorado for a ski weekend with my parents. We left Detroit, headed for Denver. And when we got to Denver, we were met with a beautiful day, and one that seemed perfect to drive 3 hours into the mountains. But that 3 hour drive was met with a huge snowstorm going around curved mountains 10,000 feet in the air. But once we got to our little village in Vail, Colorado, it was a Christmas paradise. So we settled in and got ready for the next day. When we hit the slopes the next day, we were met with beautiful views that were unprecedented anywhere else that I've ever been. Even my dad stopped and admired the views that were breathtaking. But as we went on, and as the weekend went on, not every day was perfect. Our second to last day, we knew there was going to be a big storm, so we got our skiing in early. Even from the top of the mountain, 2 hours before the storm hit, we could see it coming. We could see it rolling over the mountain, so we knew we needed to get down soon. We didn't make it. Going down that hill, not being able to see 2 feet in front of you, was one of the scariest things I've ever done, and probably will ever do. I feared for my life. But on the last day, we were met with the most beautiful weather, where you could see for miles with not a cloud in the sky. We went back to the top and had dinner over 10,000 feet in the air, and even saw one of the most famous peaks in the Rockies. It was truly a vacation that I will never forget.